What is up, guys? It's been a little bit, but we got something new here that you are definitely going to enjoy. A 2020 crf110, same thing as that one that I built. Seems like everyone loves the pit bike content, so my little brother sold his KLX, that white one that he had, KLX 110. And then he picked this up last night. It's super clean. I think the guy rode it like one time, or his kid rode it like one time. I mean, it's literally brand new, as you can tell. He's gonna start ordering a bunch of mods for it, but now we get to do another pit bike build, and it's super satisfying, like what they turn into, because that thing used to look like this. It's just insane. But this thing, I gotta give it a wash, so I'm gonna try to wash it in here, but I gotta move his truck out of here. He was undercoating it, and I got the floor so dirty. That's from the floor, but that's why you don't paint inside of a shop. I gotta show you what I did to my truck. I painted the third brake light. Here's a stock one, obviously, but I paint matched it white. It looks pretty sweet, but I messed it up and I'm really pissed about it. It's kind of sucks, but it's whatever. The Razor is currently in the shop getting his cage welded. I'll put in a picture right now of what it's looking like so far. But we got some work to do on that thing once it gets back. Let's move this truck out of the garage. I gotta move my truck, but I'm gonna show you that third brake light. It looks pretty freaking awesome. All white. I'm gonna try to zoom in here and see that black spot, right? Oh geez, right there in the little corner. Yeah, so it was very nice and looked very nice, and then it didn't fit like a classic eBay third brake light. By the way, if you want me to make a video on how to do this, I will, but I'm pretty pissed off about this. I might do taillights. Anyway, back to the eBay taillights. Yeah, they just don't fit because they suck and they're cheap, but whatever. It looks really cool. I think it looked really cool with the white right here. Let's see, I gotta move this out of the way. Oh, I also straight piped the mid pipe on this thing, so it actually gives it a nice little sound. It's not a cold start right now. I have no idea if that worked at all, but it sounded dope. All right, let's move this thing. Here's my dad's truck. I don't know if you guys have seen this. Got a new one too. Let's see if it starts. Holy crap. I'm just gonna be using some Purple Power and then some normal car wash stuff, I guess you can say. This stuff takes it off, like all the mud and everything off really good, but I'm gonna throw you into a time lapse and then hopefully I can get her clean, because I think she's pretty much done for the year. I don't know, we'll see. I just wiped it down and it's actually super clean. And then I just take buckets of water and just pour it onto it, and it'll all just fall off pretty much. I mean, yeah, there's a little bit left, but come on, for just inside of the shed here, it's not bad. The floor isn't very wet. You can pretty much do it in any garage, but things shining now. I'll use some SC1 on this thing to really get shining. This stuff is the best stuff ever to be invented, ever, basically. You can get it on Amazon or maybe at your local parts shop or whatever. But basically, it just makes the plastic look super new and super shiny. Also, it keeps mud from not sticking on it. Makes cleaning your machines a lot easier. You can pretty much spray it on anything. They even say you can spray it on your cars, but I don't know. We don't really do that. But I just spray it all around, everywhere. And then once you got it pretty coated, make sure you get everything. Once you got it pretty coated, take like a microfiber towel or any sort of towel. It doesn't have to be microfiber. Start wiping it down so you get a nice consistent shine throughout the whole bike. It's not rocket science, but once you wipe it down, it looks freaking good. Like, it just, look at how shiny that is now. It's insane. Make sure to get everywhere. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. That is sweet. I can't believe there isn't like a ton of scratches in these. This is just a DIY powder coat. I made videos on how to do it. It holds up super good. It is way cheaper than getting it professionally done. You can pretty much do it professionally on your own. So thank you guys for watching. There's snow coming on the ground, so we're gonna get the sleds out pretty soon here. Can't wait for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Guys, this is like a couple hours later. We're getting some snow now. Snowmobile content coming soon, boys. Let's go.